In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add travelers on Booking.com account. Adding the correct traveler name on Booking.com ensures the right person can check in smoothly, especially if you're reserving on someone else's behalf. The best part is, you don't need any special setting or profile. You simply add the traveler during the normal booking flow. Start by searching for the hotel or accommodation you want. Then select your travel dates and the room type that fits your plans. When you reach the booking form, look for a field labeled Traveler, Guest Name, or Who's Staying. This is where you enter the full name of the person who will actually arrive at the property and present identification. Type the name exactly as it appears on a passport or government ID to avoid check-in delays. Depending on your region or language, the label may vary slightly, but it always refers to the person staying. On the same page, you might also see separate fields for contact information. These refer to the person managing the booking, which can be you. Once you confirm the reservation, that traveler name is attached to the booking and visible to the property, so the front desk expects the correct guest. Because hotels often prepare registration details in advance, it's smart to double-check spelling before you press book. Name changes after confirmation can be limited or may require contacting support, depending on the property and rate conditions. If you're making the reservation for another person, the process is the same. Simply enter their name in the traveler or guest name field instead of yours. You can still use your own email address to receive confirmations and updates, and you can pay with your own card if you prefer. The booking will still show the other person as the guest who's staying, which is what staff will check on arrival. This is handy for family trips, gifting a stay, or helping a colleague. Let the traveler know they'll need a valid ID matching the name on the reservation, and, if the property requires it, a card or deposit at check-in according to policy. A few helpful reminders as you fill out the form. Keep the name accurate. Avoid nicknames and match official documents. If the property asks only for the main guest, enter that person. Additional guests are usually noted at check-in per hotel policy. You can forward the confirmation email or share the itinerary so the traveler has the booking number and address. If you need to share arrival time or preferences, use the special requests box. This doesn't change the traveler name. That's it. Enter the person who will check in as the traveler during booking, and, if you're booking for someone else, keep your contact and payment details while putting their name as the guest for a smooth arrival.